In this video, we'll make a program to sort three numbers in ascending order. So the program is to sort three numbers in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. So now we'll use the if else, or we'll use all the control statements we have studied till now. Okay, so just suppose I'm having three numbers A, B and C over here. So let me also take some sample values. In A we are having 5, in B we are having 1, and in C we are having 2. Just suppose. You can also take the numbers of your choice. Okay, so these are the three input, that is 5, 1 and 2. So our logic is that first we'll compare A and B, that which is maximum between A and B. So we already know the logic behind it, that we'll check if A is greater than B, then in max we have A, and also we need second max. As we are sorting here, we are not finding the max, so we need a sec max variable, that is second max variable also. Okay, so just let me open the editor. We'll make a new file and name our class as sort 3 numbers. Okay, we'll save it, that is sort 3.java. We have the main function, that is public static void main with the string type argument inside it. Okay, so now we'll take here three variables, that is int A we have 5, B we have 1, and in C we take 3, or you can say 2. Okay, so now we'll also need two variables, that is int max and second max. Okay, so now first, as we will compare between A and B, so if A is greater than B, then we have in max A, and in second max we have B. In the else part, when B is greater than A, we have in max B, and in second max A. Okay, so now the next part is, as we have compared between A and B, now we'll compare with C. So now we'll check if C is greater than max. C is greater than max, then we'll put in low second max. Low is equals to second max. Okay, I just supposed to forget third variable, which is low. Max is the first highest, second max is the middle one, and the lowest one is low. Okay, so we'll put in low second max. As you can see, C is greater than max. So now C will be the maximum, and the max variable will be second max, and the value in second max will be the lowest. So we'll change all three, that is in second max now we'll be having the max one, and in C we'll have max. In max, sorry, we'll have C. Now we'll see the else. If again we have some condition, that if C is greater than second max, that means C is less than maximum but greater than second max. That means C is the middle variable. Then we have in low equals second max, and in second max we have C. Okay, now the last part, that is the lowest one, C. Okay, just a second. Here, this logic we have already done in this part. Just a second, I'll show you. We did over here. Okay, I have erased that logic. where our program is sort 3. Okay, so here if I talk about the three variables A, B and C. Okay, now first, as we have compared A and B, and we are having here three variables, max, second max and the lowest one. So if A is greater than B, so if A is greater than B, then in max we have A and in second max we have B. But if A is less than B, then in max we have B and in second max we have A. Now if we compare with C, the values in second max and max, then if C is greater than maximum, that means C is the greatest one, so we'll update the values of max, second max and lowest. Okay, so according to that, in max we have now C. In second max the value will be changed to the maximum one, and in lowest one the second max. Okay, this logic is a bit confusing, but this is a simple logic also if you see it clearly. Okay, so as you can see here, if C is greater than max, then the value of all three will be updated. We put this max statement in the last, as we cannot put it in the first position, as if we put it in the first position we'll lose the value present in the max variable as it will be updated. So this should be the same sequence when we write the program. And similarly, if C is greater than second max, that means C is the middle element. Okay, so the max value will remain same. In second max, whatever we were having in second max will be given to the lowest one, and the C will be assigned to second max. And similarly for the else part. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we'll study our next control statements, that is the looping and the iteration part. Okay, as you can see here in control statements, we're first having the condition statements, and then the second thing is the looping and iteration. So we'll study the syntax of while loop, that is our first loop, and we'll see it in the next class. Thank you.